Dessert's so easy, you'll never turn on the oven again. Tired of heating up your kitchen just to satisfy your sweet tooth? Discover the world of no-bake desserts, delicious treats that require zero oven time. Get ready to indulge in effortless deliciousness. No-bake desserts are a game changer for any home cook. They're incredibly simple to make, often requiring just a few ingredients and minimal prep time. Perfect for busy weeknights or when you just don't feel like turning on the oven. These recipes are also fantastic for hot weather. Keep your kitchen cool while still enjoying a delightful dessert. No-bake options are also a great way to get kids involved in the kitchen. Many no-bake recipes rely on a few key ingredients. These components provide structure, flavor, and that irresistible sweetness we all crave. Understanding these basics will unlock a world of possibilities. Graham crackers are a classic base for many no-bake pies and bars. Cream cheese adds richness and tanginess to cheesecakes and other creamy desserts. Sweetened condensed milk provides sweetness and helps bind ingredients together. Let's start with a decadent and easy recipe: no-bake chocolate dream bars. These bars are rich, chocolatey, and require absolutely no baking. Prepare for a chocolate lover's paradise. First, crush some chocolate cookies and mix with melted butter for the crust. Press this mixture into a pan and chill. Then, melt chocolate chips with sweetened condensed milk and spread over the crust. Top with your favorite sprinkles and chill until firm. Cheesecakes are a crowd pleaser, and you don't need an oven to make a stunning one. No-bake cheesecakes are surprisingly easy and just as delicious as their baked counterparts. The creamy texture is simply divine. Combine cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla extract in a bowl and beat until smooth. Fold in whipped cream for extra lightness. Pour the mixture over a graham cracker crust and refrigerate until set. Add fresh fruit or chocolate shavings for garnish. For a lighter and refreshing option, try no-bake parfaits. These layered desserts are visually appealing and packed with flavor. They're perfect for a quick and healthy treat. Layer yogurt, granola, and your favorite fruits in a glass. Repeat the layers until the glass is full. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup for added sweetness. These parfaits are customizable and endlessly adaptable. While no-bake desserts are simple, a few tips can ensure success. These insights will help you avoid common pitfalls and create truly exceptional treats. Pay attention to these details for the best results. Make sure your ingredients are at the right temperature. Softened cream cheese blends more easily. Allow enough time for chilling. This is crucial for the dessert to set properly. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors and toppings. Want to take your no-bake desserts to the next level? Consider adding unique flavor combinations and creative toppings. These additions can transform a simple recipe into something truly special. Try adding a layer of peanut butter to your chocolate bars. Incorporate chopped nuts or pretzels for added texture. Drizzle with caramel sauce or hot fudge for extra indulgence. The possibilities are endless. No-bake desserts aren't just for casual snacking. They're perfect for parties, holidays, and special occasions. Their simplicity makes them ideal for large gatherings. Make individual parfaits for a party. Create a no-bake cheesecake for a birthday celebration. Prepare chocolate bars for a holiday treat. No-bake desserts are versatile and always a hit. Ready to ditch the oven and embrace the world of no-bake desserts? These recipes are simple, delicious, and perfect for any occasion. Start experimenting and discover your new favorite treats. From chocolate bars to cheesecakes to parfaits, the possibilities are endless. No-bake desserts are a game changer for any home cook. Enjoy the effortless deliciousness. Ready to transform your dessert game? Subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious no-bake recipes. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with your friends who love sweets. Let us know in the comments which no-bake dessert you're most excited to try, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a recipe.